The first time I gamed on the Powkiddy RGB20S, I played non-stop till it ran out of battery. Naturally, I plugged my smartphone charger into it, but then realized it isn't charging, and there's no red charging LED either. I went for a day thinking the unit was damaged until I figured it out. So let me show you why your Powkiddy won't charge, and trust me, it's nothing serious. First and foremost, you need to make sure that you're not plugging the charging cable into the OTG port. You need to plug it into the port that says TC. But if it's plugged in the DC port and your Powkiddy still won't charge, then make sure that it's a Type A to Type C cable that you're using, like the one that's included in the box, because your Powkiddy RGB20S doesn't support the Type C to Type C cable. But if you're using the right cable and it's still not charging, then you can try using a different Type A to Type C cable, or try a different charging adapter, preferably the one with low wattage, like this 5-watt charger. Or you can simply use the USB port of your computer, or an extension cord. Now you should see the red LED, which means your Powkiddy is now charging. Just let it choose up and you can get right back to gaming. If this solved your issue, don't forget to hit that like button and get subbed for more awesomeness.